गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू ऑल। आप रेडी है क्या? जाएंगे मंडी में जाएंगे, आज बेच के आएंगे। रेडी है क्या? रेडी है क्या? पक्का? लॉक करूं? सोचो बेचो, सोचो बेचो, बेचो सीखो, सीखो सोचो। अरे थोड़ा आवाज उठा के बोलो यार, क्या है? मैडम देख रहे हैं कि क्या आवाज इतना ठंडा है बोल के बोल रहे हैं। सोचो बेचो। Oh, big hand for this thing. Give a big hand for this. बेचो सीखो, सीखो सोचो। I think let the organizers start the proceedings. We'll just come back. Thank you very much. Yes, I'll be back.
Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has created all the difference. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ketki.
And I'm Abhijit.
And we are your hosts for the morning. True to the words of Robert Frost, in life there are two paths available for all of us. Which path we travel is determined entirely by our actions, our decisions, our priorities. It is this path which decides the direction of our life. Education in India is largely classroom based, with more than 3/4 of the students' time being spent in the classroom. And this is where Mandi, organized by Team MIG of NITI, steps in the form of that rough path which is going to help us to shape the course of our lives.
महामंडी हमारे सम्मानित संकाय डॉक्टर टी प्रसाद की संकल्पना है, जो प्रबंधक के सैद्धांतिक पहलुओं को व्यवहारिक अनुप्रयोग से जोड़ती है। To translate, it amalgamates the theoretical concepts of management with practical application. हर वर्ष निटी के छात्र इस अनूठी सामाजिक विपणन अभ्यास में मुंबई की सड़कों पे उतरते हैं। It means the socio marketing campaign, and it is really interesting that Hindi is being used for the first time, and I wish we could respect our national language more. इस प्रयोग की आय नवनिर्मिति एनजीओ को दी जाती है। नवनिर्मिति के साथ हमारा संबंध 8 वर्ष पुराना है। मंडी 2008 में 2.5 लाख की बिक्री हुई थी, और मंडी 2010 जिसमें 1000 छात्रों ने शिरकत की थी, की पूरी आय 9.2 लाख थी। Can we have a round of applause? Is it so easy to get 9.2 lakhs in one day? और आज जब शहर के सबसे बड़े 20 स्कूल्स हमारे साथ हैं, आज का हमारा लक्ष्य 15 लाख रुपए है। और मेरी ये गुजारिश है कि आज हम मुंबई की सड़कों पर इतिहास रचें।
And to create history, we need the right motivation and the right direction. And for that, we have with us today our esteemed faculty members. Let's begin with welcoming our faculty members. I request Parul Soni to please welcome Professor Ashok Pundit, our Dean Placements. We have Professor Mandi.
Thank you very much.
A huge round of applause, everybody. And Professor S.M. Dume. A huge round of applause, everybody. And to grace the occasion with their presence, from the world of glamour, we have Mrs. Aditi Govitrikar. And from the corporate world, we have Mr. Dev Bhattacharya, Group Executive President, Aditya Birla Group. And Dr. Nal Sahan, Executive VP, Kotak Mahindra Bank. A huge round of applause, everybody, once again for all our guests.
आसमां है हाथ में, बारिश में पानी साथ में, घूमे हम हर कहीं। सिल्की लाइफ छोड़ के आ दिलों में भर के, 2 और 2 5 कर अभी। बेचा है क्या तुमने कुछ कभी सोचा है? MBA में क्या कमी, सोचो अभी और बेचो अभी। You got to सोचो अभी बेचो अभी। Come on friends, सोचो अभी बेचो अभी। जाएंगे जब रोड पे, बेचेंगे जब ट्रेन में, सीखेंगे बिजनेस तभी। सारे हमसे पूछेंगे, जोर से हम गाएंगे, टुडे इज महामंडी। बेचा है कुछ तुमने क्या कभी सोचा है? MBA में क्या कमी, सोचो अभी बेचो अभी। You got to सोचो अभी बेचो अभी। Come on all, सोचो और बेचो अभी। क्योंकि आज है महामंडी, Today is महामंडी। Come on friends, आज महामंडी, नीति में महामंडी, महामंडी महामंडी। Thank you.
So to move on, let's start with the person who conceptualized this entire event. His name is Dr. T. Prasad, but as we all love to call him, what do we call him? Louder! Dr. Mandi, with love and adulation, please welcome him on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. देवियों और सज्जनों, भाइयों और बहनों, all in one. Welcome you all to Mahamandi 2011. Big welcome to you all with the applause. I will not take much time because you're all interested to jump into the Mandi. मंडी में इतना जल्दी जाना उतना अच्छा है, इस वास्ते हम ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं ले लेंगे एंड फटाफट फ्लैग ऑफ करके आपको मंडी में भेजाएंगे. However, the guests are here. On behalf of NITI, I would like to welcome the guests of honor here, the chief guests, our special invitees, all of them. Let me invite Aditi ji first. अरे तो आदित्य जी हम पहले इनवाइट करना पड़ेगा. For a college, a successful, glamour, high achiever coming to NITI like that is a case study for us to emulate, to understand, to emulate for that matter. So in view of it, ma'am, we would like to invite you for that. I was talking yesterday to secretary of my director. He said, sir, I have read her profile. She's such an excellent achiever, and her journey is worth emulating for MBA students as a case study. I got really surprised. For my director's PA was just mentioning about it. Ma'am, hats off to you for being here with us. I would like to congratulate, we would like to welcome you for this. Devji is our alumni. It's a pleasure to have Devji always here. As an energy, it's as a just power we get when Devji is here for that matter. When I requested Devji, actually last year also he was supposed to be here, but he was not here. And we are very thankful to you, sir. You deputed one of your CEOs here, and we had last year wonderful Mandi. This year also we are having you. That's a pleasure for us. On the dais, I have one more guest. He's my own teacher, Dr. From Kotak Mahindra VP, Dr. Narasimhan. On behalf of myself, I request you to welcome my teacher, Dr. Narasimhan. Friends, it was a fantastic teacher. I had the first lessons of my commerce in I forgot the year actually. I don't know when it was there for that matter. 82 November, 2nd or 3rd, I understand. In Hyderabad, he took a session for that matter. Such a lively teacher. Hey guys, you are going to miss his teacher, such a teacher for that matter. I don't know whether I'm a good replacement for him or not. I welcome you, sir, for this particular audience, particular program for this. My friends, Professor Dhume and Professor Pundir are always with me. I welcome you all. And special invitees we have Raju Pednekar, Shreya Srinivas, Bhupender, and all of you from different colleges. Here we have 20 college students here at. It's a festival for us to have a Mandi here. And it's a pleasure to see you all here for that matter. Coming to the business, let me just say a few words and leave you. My son is a very crazy guy. He was singing me a song called Pink Floyd. Hey, you know the Pink Floyd song? What is the song? If I ask you, say that. What is the Pink Floyd song? We don't need no education. Pink Floyd, 25 years back, 30 years back, sang a song. We don't need no education. In a premier management education institution, when we are saying this, we have guts to say that we don't need education, but we need education which is required for the people. Niti Mandi is basically meant for that. Let me tell what Pink Floyd said about the education. He said one thing. We don't want to become one more brick in the wall. We don't want to make you one more brick in the walls. We would like to make you walls, not brick in the walls, for that matter. Whether you will become a film actors, whether you will become a entrepreneurs, whether you will become a supply chain managers, it is you have to define, it is you have to decide. मंडी में जाके आओ, तभी मिल जाएगा आपको पूरा क्लियर आपको प्रोफाइल मिलेगा आप कहाँ फिट होता है. Mandi is basically meant for that, to give you competence assessment. Competency assessment करने के लिए हम ये पूरा ट्रेडिशनल कन्वेंशनल सिस्टम यूज़ नहीं करते. मंडी में जाके एक कस्टमर के पाम पकड़ो, पूछो उनसे अंकल मैं कहाँ फिट होता है, वो आपको बोलेगा बेटा आप कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक में वीपी बन जाता बोल के बोलेगा. वो बोलेगा बेटा आप आदित्य बिरला में आप अच्छा मैनेजर बन जाओगे बोलेगा. He may say that you are a good supply chain manager in FIFA. बेटा हम फैकल्टी इधर है, we cannot assess you. The customer will assess you very better when you go to the mandi. You should be assessed by them. क्या यार दे दे यार थोड़ी ताली दे दे यार ऐसा मत बना दो. So इस वास्ते we are sending you. Some of you might be thinking that अरे rain है बच्चे को कैसा, why you are sending them? No pity बेटा. 20 साल आप क्लासरूम में you are being paralyzed in the classroom. 20 साल आपको ग्लूकोज देते रहते हैं, किताब की ग्लूकोज आपको देते रहता है, आप बोलते हैं वोमिट करते रहते हैं आंसर शीट में. अभी we are not going to give any the paralytic patients like that. We are going to make you dabangs. We are going to make you कतरों के खिलाड़ी. We want you to become कतरों के खिलाड़ी. The Mandi is basically a real learning station. रियलिटी शो रहता है, रियलिटी शो में भी बहुत तरह अनरियलिटी रहने के चांसेस है, बट हमारा मंडी में पूरा रियलिटी है, 100% रियलिटी. आपको सामान दिया है, आपको ट्रेनिंग थोड़ा भी दिया है, यू हैव टू गो टू द मार्केट, सेल, कैंपेन, पैसे लेना है शाम तक. पैसे नहीं लिया आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा. ये गांधी जी का पद्धति है. बेटा हम वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन से हम ये दुनिया को, ये इंडिया को हम पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाएगा. देयर आर 30 crore स्टूडेंट्स इन दिस कंट्री, स्टिल वी आर ओनली जस्ट 12%, 13% ग्रास एनरोलमेंट रेशियो. इसकी मतलब है कि 80% of the people have not got education in this country. Who has got a right to say somebody else saying that you don't have a right to get an education? We need education which is polio drops. 2 बूंद दे दे बच्चे को एजुकेशन मिलना है. Mandi is such a polio drops. Mandi is such a mantra है. A 30 crore students can be put onto the market. And उसके पढ़ाने के लिए पैसे की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बच्चे शाम तक पैसे कमा के सर को बोलेगा सर मैं पैसे भी कमाया है, पढ़ाई भी किया है, आप एग्ज़ाम करो अभी, मैं एग्ज़ाम दे दूंगा मैं. ये नया सिस्टम हम निकलना है. Teaching has lost relevance in the new world of internet and Facebook. Teaching has lost its relevance. We have to focus on learning. मंडी में लर्निंग होता है. आप पैसे कमाता है तभी आपको लर्निंग होता है. Friends, there is much more to tell. This was told by Gandhi ji. Being a national institute committed for higher education spread in the country, we are spreading the Mahamandi. And next year, once again, August 6th, we will have Mahamandi where we would like to invite you to launch motorbikes. 6th August, next time, we'll have a 2,000 motorbikes will be released from NITI to CST and also Western, Central, North, East, everywhere, brother matter. आप मोटर बाइक पे घूम के आओ एंड फीडबैक देना बेटा, मोटर बाइक के बारे में फीडबैक देना है. ये केस स्टडी है. एंड शाम तक हम 2,000 रुपये आपको दे देगा. Bajaj, Hero, Honda will line up. If you would like to say that, we will give you feedback about motorbike in the Mumbai Mandi. And there is a huge potential for you to do this kind of activity. I welcome all of you for this. I'm much more happy for 2-3 important things for this matter. We have IOCL wholeheartedly come forward and supported this particular program. We went there and we asked for their help. Being an IOCL, they said, we would like to support this kind of this thing. And we are very happy for the general managers here who are graced this occasion. Sir, on behalf of NITI, we would like to thank IOCL for this kind of support. I also would like to thank the different colleges which are trying to emulate this particular Gandhian thinking, that Mandi way of learning. Socho, becho, becho, siko, siko, socho. I'll give the slogan once again. Socho, becho. सोचो बेचो. अरे जल्दी करो भाई, ऐसा बोल रहा था. सोचो बेचो, सोचो बेचो, बेचो सीखो, सीखो सोचो. This is the way which other colleges are also trying to emulate for that. I would like to take last bit. The products which we are going to campaign today are not imported from somewhere. These are being imported from comics. These products are made by those products. These products are comics. These products are being made by our own illustrious alumni. We would like to see that every college student should be able to come out to the products and give to their juniors. Beta ye bech ke aao, aap paise kamao. We are proud that today the comics which are being campaigned by students, Shreya Srinivas, Jump Comics, which the students are going to be campaigning today. Our lesson, our point to students is that we will sell our seniors' products, our juniors will sell our products. The whole idea is that you must make products for your juniors will sell products for you, and you will become an entrepreneur for that matter. This is the new way of learning we would like to introduce all across the country. We would like to make self-reliant learning of Gandhian process for that matter. I would like to thank here the Shreya Srinivas and also Bhupendra Verma, who has given campaign products for this particular Mandi. With these few words, I would like to leave the dais for the organizers to take the further. I will give the slogan once again. Socho becho. अरे आवाज कम हो गया बेटा. सोचो बेचो, बेचो सीखो, सीखो सोचो. Thank you very much. Organizers, please take it up.
Thank you. Hello? Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Prasad, for motivating us. We have with us our director, sir, Dr. Amitabh De.
In fact, Dr. Prasad talked about as to what's going to happen today. With a lot of enthusiasm, with a lot of spirit, a lot of youthfulness, young 1,500 students will be on the markets today. He has entrusted me with the task of explaining to you as to why we are doing what we are doing. On many occasions, the Mandi as an exercise is misinterpreted. People think that it's a joyful, it's a fun kind of an event wherein there is no learning at all. My job is to impress upon you as to how it's going to be useful in the context of learning. In fact, sometimes back, maybe a couple of years back, there was a report which was submitted by one of the leading consultancy firms saying that it was called as a BRIC report. And it was stated that India is going to be part of that elite club. Brazil, Russia, India, and China are going to lead the world. And the kind of statistics that we got after that supported that view. And it appeared as if we're going to touch that destination of becoming one of the superpowers, the economic superpowers. But the question is, can we continue to have that kind of a momentum? In fact, there is a caveat over there which says that in case you have adequate human resource in terms of quality and quantity, this dream of becoming economic superpower is going to be converted into reality. Especially the business education and engineering education in this country has been criticized for a long time. And in fact, industry criticizes, and that criticism is valid. What they say is that the engineers and the management graduates that we create are not employable, which means that they can't deliver the goods. What they say is that they speak a lot, they talk a lot of theory, but when it comes to practice, they are big zero. And this criticism is in fact validated by the McKinsey and NESCOM report, which says that 75% of our graduates and the postgraduates are not really employable. Now the question arises, with this 20 or 21 years of education that we have, the finished product that we have in terms of being called as unproductive, useless. Now who is to be blamed for this? Can we blame the raw material? I don't believe so. The youngsters who are enrolled in our educational institutions, they are of a superior quality. And faculty is to be blamed for that. I don't believe that as well. In fact, the faculty members of all the educational institutions are sincere to their task. Then where the problem lies? The problem lies in the process. We call it as pedagogy. We try to load our students with lots of theories, and in the process we rob them of their common sense. The whole education system is aimed at making someone to remember and reproduce that in the examinations, and we do not give them any chance to practice what they have learned. In fact, the whole teaching process is loaded so much towards the theory that we try to teach swimming by showing powerful PowerPoint presentations, by carrying out case studies on swimming, by giving the virtual experience of virtual swimming in the virtual swimming pool. But when it comes to real swimming in the real water, our students fail miserably, not because they do not have the capability, but because they have not given the chance to swim in the real waters. And in fact, this Mandi as an exercise is meant for giving the live example, live case study, and the live experience of swimming in the real swimming pool. We tend to believe that whatever comes from the West, whatever comes from the United States or Europe, that's the most ideal for us. That need not have to be true. In fact, Sam Pitroda once said that the educational model for India will have to be developed by educationists in India itself. Just because Harvard practices case study, just because Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad practices case study, that can't be ultimate solution for all the problems that we have. I do not have any problems with the case study, but I mean to say is that whatever that we have from the Western world will have to be supplemented by the indigenous kind of methodology. And this Mandi is one such indigenous methodology which is more appropriate for the Indian world, Indian students. It's not 100% of the customers who are going to be approached by you will say, yes, we'll buy from you. Maybe in order to get one successful sale, you're going to make 100 unsuccessful sales. And that's what the big lesson that you're going to learn today, in addition to maybe supply chain management, maybe marketing, maybe sales, maybe strategy. All these subjects are combined together here in one exercise, which is called as Mandi. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
We would like to, can you show your bags? सामान लिया नहीं लिया? सामान दिखाओ बेटा. सामान ऊपर करो, एक बार दिखाओ पूरा पूरा, ऑल द ऑडियंस उठाओ ये कॉर्नर से ऊपर करो, ऊपर और ऊपर. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I would now call upon Professor Ashok Pundir, Dean Placements, to address the students. Please welcome.
Honorable Director, NITI, Mr. Dev Bhattacharya, my colleague as well as NITI alumni and chairman of NITI Alumni Association as well, Ms. Aditi Govitrikar. I think most of you have seen in photographs, but today you have been seeing her in person as such. Professor Narasimhan, or well, I'm carried away by Dr. Prasad, the Vice President of Kotak Mahindra, Dr. Prasad, Dr. Dhume, alumni, invitees, guests, and dear students. I won't take much time because you all already geared up and want to go to market, want to go feel the pulse of the customer directly, want to know how they behave, how they react when you go and approach them. Just to go back a little, when Dr. Prasad took this initiative to start this Mandi, I think there were just 100 and odd students of NITI that was standing somewhere on the road between the two hostels, what famously our students they call it PPO Road. And there in the buses, and we all flagged off along with the then director, we flagged off this first group of Mandi. And we are not really sure of how this exercise is going to take shape. But it was not one of those academic exercises, it was not one of those thrust upon by the professors. What we are very keen on that, what will be really owned up by the students by and large, because unless you own up this exercise, you won't give your best. I must say over the years, Mandi as an exercise, Mandi as an instrument of learning has been owned up by the students. Not only students of NITI, but what I see, it's really heartening to me, across the B schools is being adopted. Across the B schools all over in the city of Mumbai, I think they all adopted very well about it. Exactly name of the institute, probably Dr. Prasad only can say, but I do really feel very happy about it when many of the students from different colleges, they start inquiring right in the month of June and of July, when is likely to be the next Monday, and they start preparing for themselves. And I must say, Dr. Prasad, the instrument of learning, what we started some years back, and as an institute, all the directors, subsequently director, and the current director as well as supported this event. I think it has become a great instrument of learning, and a lot of credit goes to Dr. Prasad as well as support of NITI management. Kindly give a big hand to Dr. Prasad and the whole team for this great achievement. It's a surprise to us when we meet students anytime, anywhere. In fact, during the selection process, we found, tell us what you know about NITI. In spite of all those things about NITI, one thing they will also say, this is one exercise they get fascinated by, that's called Mandi. And we do get surprised. The students who are yet to get admission in this institute, they are still knowing about this particular instrument of learning. And I think somewhere across the B schools, across the country, this thing has come up in their mind about it. Okay, this is one exercise where really you get to know a lot of things about it. If you look at by and large in the life, most of you had never worked before coming to any of the institutes of higher learning for higher studies. Of course, now there are a lot of experienced candidates. But the one who are the freshest one, in your life you never earned a money. You never know how to earn a money. What you only know is how to spend the money. You get the money from the parents, you go and spend over it. I think this is one exercise where first time you'll go, how easy or difficult, how do you approach someone to get some money about it? How to sell a product? And this is where your interaction with the consumer, this is your interaction with how to approach the people about it. Different type of customers, how do you approach in a different way, because everyone from a child to the older parent to you cannot approach in the same way. So you have to devise your strategy. And here brief is very clear. All the products what you have to sell by evening and come back over here. So you have to find your way out. I'm sure most of you have seen the hawkers on the road all along your life. But today realize yourself, you are also one of them. And then you realize the really pain. You really realize how much learning you get out of it about it. With this, I wish this edition of Mandi a great success. And I'm sure the number, the 150 probably is becoming to now 10 times to nearly close to, I'm told around 1200 to 1500 students from various institutes of city of Mumbai will be participating today. I wish you all the best, and I'm sure by evening today will be much more wiser. You will know a lot more the way of life. You will know how to really interact as a seller and how the various buyers they behave about it. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Pundi, for those kind words. The next person on the dais is a man I'm extremely excited to introduce. He's the Executive Vice President of Kotak Mahindra Bank, a member of Capital Markets Committee, and a Carnatic music aficionado. Please welcome Dr. Narasimhan. Can we have another round of applause? Come on.
Good morning, young friends. Time is money, I realize, because you will be losing every minute. You have got to go to the Mandi. I will not take more than 2 minutes. This is an occasion where you have got to listen, observe, contemplate. Dr. Prasad said there are 1,000 students here, but I see 3,000 people here. 1, a student. 2, a manager. 3, an entrepreneur. End of the day, possibly we will see only 200, 2,000 or 1,000, depending upon how much you listen to yourself, how much you contemplate for yourself, and decide whether you're going to be a manager or an entrepreneur. Surely you're going to be a student. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for those illuminating words. And now from the glamour world, we have Mrs. Aditi Govichikar, model, ex-Mrs. World 2001, actress, and a doctor by profession. I request you, ma'am, to kindly step on and say a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Dignitaries on dais and my young friends, I'm really honored to be here. And the reason for that is Mahamandi. And I was introduced to Dr. Prasad saying that he is Dr. Mandi. From today onwards, I want all of us to call him Dr. Mahamandi. Yeah, you all agree? I think this is a great concept, and my little daughter, who's 11, is always asking me for money. I think I'm going to meet her school people, and I'm going to introduce Dr. Mahamandi to them. And I think this concept should not only be practiced in B schools, but also in schools, because I think marketing in today's day and age is really important. Whether it's a product, whether it is a company, whether it's an institution, or whether it's an individual, you have to learn how to market. And this is taught to you all. But what about us medical students? We were never taught all this. So I think, sir, I think you should take this concept to schools, to colleges, to junior colleges, to medical colleges, everywhere, because this is such a great concept. And to add to it, it has an angle which is a social responsibility. Today, I have heard all the dignitaries talking. I have heard about Mandi, and everybody has been saying that, yes, it is about marketing. You all will learn how to sell the products that you all are given. What touched my heart was the social angle to it. So if you all can make it a goal, not to sell the products, but to keep in mind that the money that you all will be getting out of this will be going to the underprivileged children. And I think that will add a lot of dimension to what the exercise is all about. Having said that, I hope to see a lot more than 9.8 lakhs. That was the figure that was given to me from last year, and that was the highest. I hope you all reach 20 lakhs today. All the very best. Thank you.
20 lakhs. Are you ready? So the next person on stage is a NITI alum. Can we have an applause, please? He is the Group Executive President of Aditya Birla Group. Ladies and gentlemen, Please put your hands together for Mr. Dev Bhattacharya.
Dr. Mandi. Can you hear me now? Yeah. Hello. So, Dr. Mandi, thank you very much. And as usual, I am fascinated with the kind of work that you've done and continue to do. And it's great to see all of you in Gandhi caps, although I think some are still hesitant to wear it. Please wear them. And I'm also honored to be, amidst doctors. Everybody here is a doctor rather than me. And I want to give a quick message to you. This is not about corporate speech making, but about a couple of things that occur to all of us every now and then when we meet with something which is not exactly the way you want it, sort of is missing the point, and then that gives rise to an opportunity, an entrepreneurial idea, maybe a business idea. And there are 2 or 3 things that occurred to me very recently. I must tell you about that. One is I'm suffering from spondylitis, okay? A sort of hint of a spondylitis. And I went looking for a cervical pillow. And I found that the cervical pillows are either too hard or too large. And when you're lying down, flat on your back, you want to have your head flat on the ground with something under the neck, and there is no such thing available. You roll a towel or something and put under your head. And when you want to go on your side, then you need the cervical pillow. How do you sleep at night? So the idea is very simple. You have the cervical pillow with a sort of gap in the middle, which can sort of flatten out your head when you're sleeping on your back and move on to the side and have a raised portion when you want to sleep on your side. Why isn't a product like this available in the market? Look at marker pens which you use on your whiteboard. How many times do you find that the first marker pen that you picked up doesn't write? All the time. And therefore, how about making a marker pen that writes, and that writes without fail? 99.9% success. Another idea, and in the process of trying to get some sleep at night, I use a hot water pillow or a hot water bag. How many people have seen a hot water bag which is different from the one that is a rectangular piece of rubber? Have you seen anything that is different? No. If you want something under your neck, which is sort of flat and long, would you have a hot water bag like that? Never. If you're traveling in the air and you need to support your head, but you need something warm, and it could be a hot water bag in the shape of a horseshoe, how about that idea? There is no product in the marketplace, and I can assure you there's a huge market for this. So these are sort of spontaneous ideas that keep coming, and I keep telling youngsters who come and see me, and I do mentor a lot of kids, so I like picking up these ideas and giving, so I thought it's an occasion, last 7 days ideas, give some to you. And I'm seeing that there are some entrepreneurs here, youngsters, and I'm completely excited with the fact that people have stepped out of this management institute and moved out from PowerPoints into manufacturing and getting ideas and getting into the market with new product ideas. Great, absolutely fascinating. Please go ahead and do that. The one thing that you have to learn in a management institute as you're sort of moving out into life and experimenting is to develop the capability of spontaneity. Spontaneous. When you get into a jacket and a tie and stuff like that and you're walking, suddenly you see your set of friends who are having fun and then they come and join us for a dance. Can you do it? Can you break into your dance suddenly? It's difficult, but this is just a sort of an example. And I was thinking while Ms. Govatrika was speaking that, a person who's a doctor, an artist, a model, a fashionista, and all kinds of things put into one, one sees an example of a spontaneity converted into business idea, plus, retaining her own sort of professional standing and capability. These are great things to learn when you're trying to experiment with life and experiment in life. And I wish you all the best and all success in your Mahamandi. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Bhattacharya, for those wonderful ideas. I now call upon another NITI alum. He is Mr. Rajesh Pednekar. Could you please have you on stage, sir? He is from the IM1 batch. Everyone, a huge round of applause for Mr. Rajesh Pednekar.
Thank you. I would like to ask you a couple of questions in a quiz. Which is the company which invented mobile phone? Anyone? Motorola? Right. And which is the company which is number one in mobile phones currently? So what did you learn from this? You don't require to be successful, you don't have to invent a product. You can innovate a product, right? Next question, which is the company which invented portable music? And which is the market leader in portable music currently? Apple? Right. So what I'm trying to stress here is that you don't need to invent a product. It is not that to be successful you require to have patents in your name. You can innovate an invented product, what Mr. Dev was telling, right? That is one thing. Second thing, let's say how many years, one question to Mr. Dev, or 1 second, to Mr. Amitabh De. How many years, sir, did you take to become a director?
I don't know.
He doesn't know, right? But you can become director in 24 hours. Ministry of Company Affairs is launched a scheme which you would have read in Economic Times. You can apply to Ministry of Company Affairs and it takes 24 hours to get you a director identification number. You can become a director in 24 hours. And you can start your own company in 1 month with a capital of 1 lakh rupees. Right? So company formation is nothing difficult. Even, any one of you, and for all that, all of you should attempt it. I know NITI has started, I think, partnership. Professor Mandi, Professor Mandi is making compulsory for NITI students to start partnership companies in the campus, right? So if that is the case, even I think the next step would be to start private limited companies in the campus. You just require 1 lakh rupees capital to start a company. 1 lakh rupees capital, 1 month, and some digital signatures and a director identification number. Right. Third thing I want to tell you that the definition of NITI has been changing. I think the government started as a National Institute for Training in Industrial Engineering. The second definition which came was National Institute for Industrial Engineering. They dropped the training part of it. I don't know why. And the students came up with their own definition when I joined NITI, Notorious Institute for Torturing Innocent Engineers. Because NITI takes only engineers, and the amount of Grail, that's the product which our other friend has launched, Grail. The amount of Grail we go through is, you guys are aware, so I need not stress on that. But with this Mahamandi, I would like to propose to you a new definition of NITI, National Institute for Training in Entrepreneurship. I want each and every one of you to attempt entrepreneurship. Don't think placements and jobs are the first option. They should be the last option. Because I have never seen an employee who has become a billionaire unless he is at, CEO of a top multinational company. And that's a long path forward. But you have seen Google, you have seen Facebook. People are becoming billionaires in 2 years and 3 years. It's much more easier due to technology to become a billionaire now than it was earlier. So with this, I would like to thank all of you and Professor for inviting me and all the dignitaries on the dais. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Pednekar. I would also like to mention the alums. We have Mr. Shreyas from Jump In Column Comics and Mr. Bhupendra from Grail, all from the IM13 batch. We are honored to have you here. Thank you. And now I call upon our director, sir, Dr. Amitabh De, to share a few words of wisdom with us. Everyone, could we have a huge round of applause?
Mrs. Aditi Gwatrikar, Mr. Dev Bhattacharya, and Dr. Narsiman, and my colleagues and the friends. Students are my friends, so therefore friends. It is difficult for a teacher to come and speak on a occasion like this, and where I'm more comfortable in classroom interactions than that of an interaction which is taking place in an occasion which is known as Mahamandi. However, I have few thoughts to share which may be diametrically opposite than what is really happening. When I say happening, I'm talking about Mandi experiment. And there are a few things. First of all, I believe any education of any type is good. Whether the experiment done by the ashrams in Upanishads, whether the experiments done by the Britishers, whether the experiment done in India by Mahatma Gandhi through his Naitalim education, and whether the experiment done by Rabindranath Tagore in his ashramic education, any education is important. Question of how we like to look into it. If you have, there is one more, the education which experiment was done by Chanakya as Vishnugupta. So these are the experiments. There may be many more, but these experiments which I believe in India, time to time, it has come. It's a question of the perspective which has to be taken into shape. So therefore, if we say this education process is good and that education process is not so good, may not be really a correct understanding of the education. I'm a teacher, coming from a teacher's family, and many of you probably finding it difficult why I'm wearing this. I used to spin the threads, used to make the clothes, and used to make it for ourselves, coming from a Gandhian family. So it's a burden to me when I see my father, what he used to do. I use the word burden in a sense, rituals needs to be do away with. We'll have to literally find out in heart what we are doing is really what we believe. Education to me, what is given in Upanishads, Sa Vidya Ya Vimaktaye. That means that is what going to liberate you. Now take the liberation from the existing processes, existing way of learning, existing cultural ethos, existing social requirement. And if that we as an institute can give, then we understand we are able to educate you. Now, one thing has to be definitely kept in mind, that today, only what we are doing, we are most of the cases not liberating you. When we say liberate, we are going to make you useful to yourself, useful to the society will come afterwards. And if you find out you are useful to yourself, then useful to the society will automatically come up. But that's not really happening. What is happening is we are not very sure when we have gone through a process of education whether we are really useful to ourselves. Now that needs to be established. So when we see that we are imparting an education where we are giving you a belief, sense of belief that, well, we have learned something. Learning involves behavioral changes. We have learned something, then we understand we at a NITI has given you something back. Now let me talk about, this is what I thought my understanding of education, coming from a teacher's family and being a teacher for last almost 40 years, 36 years to be precisely.
Second is that of your this selling experiment, which is very important. You have to understand why it is important. Let me give my own little small example. I was a boy of 9. Coming from a village, we had vegetables which are more. Me and my brother, which is 5.5 years old, decided to go to sell those additional sabji to a mandi which is 3 kilometers away. Think of a boy of 9 carrying 10 kilo sabji, vegetables, to go and sell. We went there, sold the product, and we understood how difficult was the selling. What was the experience? You could understand. I'm talking 50 years before, I still remember those. My request would be, do not just consider this as a one-day affair. I'm making it once again very clear. Do not consider this as a one-day affair. You are fortunate that with Professor Prasad and Professor Dhume and the NITI team could organize activity where you will be getting an experience of a lifetime. So keep that in mind. Third part of it, as we know, the proceeds which will come will go to the underprivileged children. Please try to understand that the proceeds going to underprivileged children is going to be exceptionally good. But don't end there. You need to continuously support, not by money, by putting a hand on the back and patting it and having a handshake throughout the life. Now, please do that. Otherwise, this experience will remain as one-time experience. And lastly, as people on the dais told, that end of the day, if country has to grow, country has to produce. And not producing the manpower, producing the products. And if products needs to be produced, people have to come forward and take the pledge that they would be involved in producing the products. And that will be not only working with some people, but to take the lead to say that, well, I am also in a position to take care of few more people to produce a product which will not only give livelihood to people, but also give enjoyment to you. With this, I said, please enjoy the experiment. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And now for the vote of thanks.
इस प्रयास को सफल बनाने में कई लोगों ने सहयोग दिया है. हालांकि हर किसी का उल्लेख करना मुमकिन नहीं होगा. जैसा एक कवि ने कहा है, कवि की अपनी सीमाएं हैं, कहता जितना कह पाता है, कितना भी कह जाए लेकिन अनकहा अधिक रह जाता है.
On behalf of the Mahamandi team, I thank our dignitaries, Mr. Dev Bhattacharya, Mrs. Aditi Govitrikar, and Dr. Narasimhan for their valuable time and kind words. It's an honor and a pleasure to have you all with us here today, sir. I also wish to thank our esteemed faculty members, our director, sir, Dr. Amitabh Bade, Professor Pundit, Professor Dhume, and of course, Professor Mandi, Dr. T. Prasad. Everyone, can we have a huge round of applause? And yes, not last but not the least, I also wish to thank the team that has made this happen, Team MIG.
The cap looks the best on you. Everybody else looks in fraud. Black.
Once again,
This you can have.
Socho becho, becho siko, siko socho, socho becho, आवाज जुड़ा हुआ है तो मार्केट में कस्टमर सुना है आपके. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Socho, becho.
Socho, becho.
Becho, sico.
Becho, sico.
Sico, socho.
Sico, socho.
Socho, becho.
Socho, becho.
Becho, sico.
Becho, sico.
Sico, socho.
Sico, socho.
Kamao.
Kamao.
शादी करो. Socho, becho. Becho,
Like everybody.
All the best, beta.
All the
Take
best to all
care.
of you. All the
Take
very
care
best.
And take care of yourself. Okay?
Come back
Take
in one
liberties,
piece.
but be careful about yourself. We are worried about you. Your safety, we are more concerned. We'll pray
That's
for
it?
you and take care of you.
Aren't these
Chalo,
people
chalo.
selling anything?
Chalo, aap bhi lagaenge, मेरे
They
लिए।
are. Go ahead, go sell. Oh yeah. But some people without the back.
Socho,
Long
becho.
hair. Long hair.
Those are not giving sound.
They're going.
Socho, becho.
Socho,
becho. Great, great, great.
All the best. All the best.
That's great. We will do Monday at Simsar also once again.
Sure, sir.
Which college? Simsar. That's great. Congratulations and please carry on.
बस छोड़ना चालू कर Northeast Kolkata.